Tour corrupto del mundo di football, un tsunami lo pasa arriba. Tour. Así na ex-futbolista Romário a declarar agua e después que Blatter tomó su retiro. E fiscal de Brasília começa a investigar o ex-presidente da Federação de Futebol de Brasil, para 23 anos, Ricardo Teixeira, já que entre 2009 e 2012 sua conta de banca moveu na 147,3 milhões de dólares. E na Colômbia, presidente de futebol de Colômbia, a vice-fiscal, turnos negociações a tomar lugar arriba mesa. Nada de boa mesa. Assim não está. E sem muita publicidade, está o campeonato de beisebol double lá do Estádio Nadi Cruz e Crismo Ángela.
O campeonato é aqui agora dedicado a 4 pessoas, Josito Muñale, Carlos Lake, Max Gomes e Ro Agombero. Depois de cerimônia oficial, a seguir com o lançamento da primeira bala para Max Gomes, com Josito Muñale como catcher e Carlos Lake como bateador. Depois a seguir, o primeiro juega de campeonato entre Red Machine e Atco Concrete. Tem o primeiro inning, Atco está anotando 4 carreras. Red Machine está corta ventaja em bomba de 3 anotando 2 carreras. Bomba de 4, Red Machine está anotando 2 carreras para empatar e juega. Atco está bounce back anotando outro 4 carreras em cabeça de 5 innings. Red Machine está pique carreira em bomba de 5. Cabeça de 7, Atco está volvendo a anotar uma carreira para tomar ventaja de 9-5. Pero bomba de 7, Red Machine está anotando 4 carreras para empatar e juega. E estava em extra inning, bomba de 10, com Red Machine está anotando carreira de vitória para ganhar 19, conectando 12 hits e a cometer 5 erros. Atco 9 carreras, 11 hits e 1 erro. E na Tierra del Sol, tomou lugar Stable 4 Two-Man Scramble Tournament, com o awardo ganado para Vijay Leidens e Elton Barbour com net 70, a de Toppenberg e Daniel Welleman a terminar na de 2 lugar.
Things are going actually really well. We got a little bit of rain on the courts today, but we also got a nice tournament out there as well after the rain let go. We had roughly 52 golfers for our two-man Stableford tournament today, which was really nice. The golfers seemed to have a good time out there.
So it's a special prize for this tournament?
Yes, a real special prize. It's going to be 4 green fees and 4 nights stay over at Blue Bay in Curacao. So it'll be a nice little trip over there for them to enjoy some golf, and then, yeah.
Yeah, and more tournaments every month, how it's planned?
Yes, every month we try to do some friendly tournaments, then we have sponsored tournaments. Come the end of next month on the 20th, we're going to have our Aruba Bank tournament, which is a really nice one to have. The players really enjoy that one. And we also going to have a nice special Father's Day promotion with brunch in the morning time with a 10 o'clock shotgun start tournament, and then after a nice little appetizers as well, and then a little day by the pool. So it'll be good for some fathers out there to come over here and relax on Father's Day.
So you're continuing putting tournament to all local golfers, let's say so.
Of course, I mean, that's what the golfers want. They want to be competitive, you know, they want a chance to come out here and win some prizes. You know, we just started back on Sundays with the Green Maker, which is kind of a cash competition, you know, and that creates a lot of camaraderie for the golfers as well, you know, winning some cash prizes for a change.
And how it's going to be the job, okay?
Oh, yes, absolutely. Things are going really good. You know, people around here are really stepping up, and, you know, the golf course is really starting to show improvements, and, you know, the guests that we have here are starting to see that. So it's really nice to have the improvements coming around.
Y dia 10 de junio, Aruba, Barbados, den Stadion Guillermo Próspero, Trinidad. Ronnie?